this. Oh my. Whoa. Whoa. This is so cool. Okay, phones replaced. Oh my. I was not expecting this to have something like this in here. Oh. Oh my God, look, they plugged an air freshener into the outlet. That's funny. I mean, it smells nice in here, so it's certainly doing the job. Oh my God. Let's get a look at this panel and then we'll get going. Oh, wow. That's amazing. All right, up to 5. Oh my God. Okay, I want to hear the bell. I want to hear the bell. Oh, look at that thing. Okay, wait. Yeah, let's let it close because I want to hear the... We're going to hear it ring. I want to hear this. This thing is so cool. This is so cool. Haha. That is so amazing. This is such like a little tiny town. This is literally just a tiny building in a tiny town in the middle of nowhere. This is literally in the middle of nowhere. And yet there's this cool elevator. Are you kidding me? Who knew this amazing elevator would just be in the middle of nowhere? Oh my God. I'm just so excited right now. Are we gonna go up? Okay, I'm confused. So I push 5, the up arrow is on. It says we're going to 5 on the car stop. That's not what it should be doing. Can I go to 4? That lit up. Oh man. Oh, tell me this thing didn't just break on me. I'm gonna try this again. There we go. I was gonna be so sad if this thing just broke. I don't know why B stays lit up when it's going up. You know what I bet it is? I bet it's just the light from the light behind the green arrow seeping behind the B. Also, look at this very cool old notifier pole station. That is rare. I don't think I've ever seen one like that before. This whole building is a relic. Oh my God, look at this. Look at that. Okay, we're gonna end it on 5. Man, this thing is cool. Apparently this building is the Lovett Center. That's so cool. Here's the certificate. All right. And that's gonna be it. Oh, wow. Lots of stuff about, I don't know, Illinois related things. Anyway, that's it.